What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis, finally here back again with another video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content that I produced so far for you guys. I know it's nothing crazy, it's not scat pack content or none of that, but I'm making do with what I got right now. And so far what I got right now is the SI. I do have the BMW X1M, but that's a long story. Let's not even talk about that. So right now we're talking about the 2009 Honda Civic SI that you see right there. It's a great car. So today in this video, this is actually talking to you in the future right now. I did a quarter-mile test on this car, 0 to 60 quarter-mile test with the draggy. Really disappointed in what I got. I'm actually going to show you guys in a moment the time. Matter of fact, let me show you right now before I continue talking. So this is it right now.
Quarter mile. 30. 60.
So as you guys can see, yeah, this is supposed to do the quarter mile in 14.9 seconds, the quarter mile, and I actually got 15.6 seconds. That's my fastest. 15.9 was my first run. That was a bad launch, and then 15.6 was my second attempt. If I did it again, maybe in a perfect scenario, I probably could get 15.5, but that's still nothing near 14.9. So yeah, but 14.9 is probably in perfect condition, perfect circumstances and all that, so it is what it is. So what I'm gonna try to do with this car is I'm gonna try to get it as close as possible to that 14.9 go stock. The car is stock, no mods done to this car, so I'm gonna try to get it to 14.9 being stock, no HoNDa, no bolt-ons, no nothing. So what I'm gonna do is weight reduction. So on the rear of the car there is a spare tire, all that, and so I'm gonna do like light weight reduction to the car. I'm gonna see how much I need to remove in order to get this car closer to 14.9 from factory. So that's the plans and that is the go. But if you like what I'm doing, you like the content I'm producing for you guys, you want to see more POVs, which is what I like to do. I like doing POV videos, me driving the car around, beating on it, driving around, taking turns, corners fast, and you know, doing me. That's what I do best. It's like beating on cars and enjoying it. That's what I like to do, enjoy and have fun with it. So if you like those type of videos, just leave a like down below, comment that you want to see more, share my videos to social medias, and subscribe to the channel if you're new so I can continue to grow. We're almost at 1,900 subscribers, so let's make that happen. Let's do a little quick walk around with the car real quick, nothing special. This is for the new people, you know, that haven't seen my previous video. So if you guys want to go back, see the previous video of this car, I basically did a POV, me beating on it, hitting VTEC. Man, VTEC is amazing on this car, and it's just being stock as is. So if you want to see that video, go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna make more videos like that soon. And yeah, like I said, I'll see you guys on the next one. For now, peace.